Okay, mix them up.
Okay, so we are back, and she's trying to tell me to mix it up, although she lost or won this game. No, you mix it up. You lost.
It's such a. It's
I'm
so.
not. I'm not a sore loser because I won. I'm a winner. I might be a sore winner. I'm not a loser like you.
I'm not gonna worry about you.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna worry about you.
just hurry up and do your job.
Okay.
Do your job.
Let's
Watch.
go. Get your Dominos. Let's go here. All right, guys. So y'all get ready to watch this live in action.
In a minute, she gonna be mad, y'all. So she's
Get ready to go at it.
she's gonna be mad.
All right, big six.
No big six.
There you go. I got that big six, baby. Now don't take forever to play. People gonna go to sleep. Gotta keep our audience entertained.
Whatever.
Cause we get paid big money for this. Okay,
we get paid big money for this. But I'm not getting paid. I just like to beat you.
Well, I'm getting paid. Let's go, baby.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see who's gonna win this round right here. Now, each game shouldn't take more than 3 minutes if we play it right. Each round. Let me get 10. Let me get 10. Give me the 10 right there. Right there. You see that?
15.
All right.
As you can see, my wife is very susceptible to obvious traps.
All right. Let me go ahead and get. There you go. Play that. Play on that. Can you play on that?
5.
Oh, you want that little bit of 5. You want that little bit of 5 points. Yeah. That little bit of 5 points. What we gonna eat for dinner tonight? I'm hungry.
My wife is always hungry.
Well,
Ash is always hungry.
that's not true.
Like, so it's a story about Ash that y'all don't know about, and the kids get on her for this too. So we'll be eating food, right?
Now you know you're
right in front of us. We'll be eating food, and give me 10 points while you wait on,
Don't
tell the story. So and we're full after we eat. Like we just had a big meal, and she's worried about the next meal. I'm like, nobody cares about the next meal.
Yes, we do. You know, I'm the one who gotta cook.
Nobody cares about the next meal. Like I'm still cooking the third meal. Like, can we please let this other meal digest first before worrying about the next meal?
In the show of comments, guys, how many of you all think about it? Yes,
this
it
is an Ash thing.
No, that's not true. That's not true, Jamal.
This is an Ash thing.
Because you have to think about your next meal, because you gotta prepare for it. You gotta mentally prepare for it.
Domino.
Okay.
You
get 5. All right. I'm gonna pause the video.
I ain't gonna pause the video when you're losing.
So why we shuffle?
Yeah, people want to see you shuffle. Wash. They want to see you wash. That is very entertaining when you just wash this.
Yeah, you need to be washing the real dishes. Okay, whoever loses this game gotta clean the kitchen.
Gotta clean the kitchen?
Yep. Whoever loses this game.
I guess you really want to clean the kitchen then.
Huh?
I guess you really want to clean the kitchen.
Okay. There. Is that good enough? All right. Let's do this.
I'm gonna say this reference.
What's your reference?
But you're not gonna get it because you don't know. You're not up to date. I'm like Thanos. I'm inevitable.
Yeah. That's fine. Just play.
10. See how I slam those dominoes? Put fear in my wife. Puts fear in my wife.
I'm so scared. So scared.
That scares her.
Uh-oh. Okay. I'm so scared.
See, the thing is, I used to talk a lot of smack before, but she couldn't take it. And so I stopped doing it. But since she wants to, 10. I'm watch it. Yeah, y'all watch now. She'll get mad. I'm trying to make her mad. She'll get mad eventually. When I talk smack, that's when she get mad. And she won't play me for 6 months to a year.
That's not true.
That's very true. That's super true. That's how it happens.
Just play. I mean, it's just a game. It's just a game.
Look, she get aggravated now. Look. She was all excited and everything for first.
Just hush.
But now she aggravated. You see?
It's just a game.
You see, guys. You see how she is.
See how he is.
Don't get mad.
I'm not mad.
It's just a game, right? Just a game. 10.
Stop before you break the dominoes.
You getting mad? I told you.
I'm not getting mad.
Yes, you are.
Okay. Put that down there. Say yes, ma'am.
Put that down there, please.
No, you got it. I'm the master.
I don't look like it.
I'm the master.
You're the master.
You bow down to me.
You so funny. You hilarious.
I am the master. Let everybody know. Who's the queen of this house? Who's the queen?
No queen.
Who is the queen of this house? Say Ashley.
Okay.
Say Ashley. All right. Put that down there. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. There you go, servant. See how you put that down there, guys?
My wife is hilarious, guys.
So you put that down there.
Give me 5, please.
And give me 10. Y'all saw that? Big 10, y'all saw that? I gave him his little 5 and I give my 10.
Y'all watch this now. And this is Domino. Give me 15.
You don't get nothing out of my hand, so.
Hell man, I got the Domino and got 15 points. And guess what? She's washing again. Hey, who watching the clean up the kitchen? It's not Jim. Not Jim. You do such a great job washing. People love this part. This part is people's favorite part right here.
Take notes. That's why you need to learn how to clean the kitchen. You need to learn how to wash their dishes.
I don't learn because you do it. Nah.
You need to learn.
You do it. Exactly. You do it. You do it.
I'm going to clean at this house. Take care of my stuff. Need to go out there and plant some plants. I'm here wasting my time playing dominoes. I really need to be making some money right now. This ain't making me no money, so I don't really need to.
See, now you see how she tries to change the subject? You know, she wanted to record this.
Just go.
Let me get 5, please.
Stop before you break the dominoes. Let's see.
See, when I slam the dominoes, that throws off her game. She can't play.
It's not throwing me off my game. It's making me.
Give me 10. See that stuff like this? It throws off a game. Yes, y'all can see. I'm proving my point.
You're not. What point are you proving?
That's throwing you off your game. That's all. See, look. 10. She was giving me money now. She just gives it to me. Every place she make, I make money.
Hi.
This is so funny.
I got 5 on it. Let me play again on that. Do again on that. Let me bring it back. Bring it back.
She is so hilarious. Anyway, give me 5, please.
I got 5 on it. I got 5 on it. Boop, boop. Ooh. Give me 5 again. Give me 5. Give me 5. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Okay. Put that down there. Put that down there for me. There you go. There you go. You gotta pull them bones. Come to that one yard and pull them bones, boy. All right. Sit down there for me. Come on now.
Y'all see how?
I did not want to split it.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, put that down there for me, please, sir. And thank
Oh
you.
my gosh.
Please, sir, and thank you. Come on, pull them balls. Pull them balls. Go to that bone and pull them. I mean, that bone yard. All right.
Hey,
Keep
you need this help.
on there.
The help you can get.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes. To your will and to your way. I say yes, Lord. Yes.
Hey, you see she's talking. She's singing now.
Every day when the dominoes get going and Jamal has a full hand, I say yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Domino. What you got? What you got?
I only got 1.
Okay, that's 15. Woo.
Not really.
25.
How's
That's
this 25?
Jamal, 15.
Okay.
20, 25.
Okay.
That's how. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw me do that math? This how you know. You round up. 12. You round up. That's 15.
Hey, you need all the points you can get while you're talking.
So 25. 10, 20, 25. Okay, good game, guys. Thank y'all for watching. This is Coffee Talk with Jim and Ash. We gotta drink our coffee.
It's not coffee talk. This is just a Saturday domino whooping. Jim is whooping ass.
This ain't no Jim whooping ass nothing. Ooh, that sounded bad. That sounded bad. Can we rephrase that?
Nah, you said what you meant what you said.
No, I didn't. I didn't
Yes,
say
you
that.
did.
We are doing coffee talk. We just drunk our coffee already.
This is
What's our
coffee
topic?
talk.
What's our topic for this Saturday? Me tomorrow. What's gonna be our topic?
Topic. It's a lot of things to talk about, but you want to change it up a little on this, so
Yeah.
you know.
10. Play on this.
10. Yeah, my wife, you know, she just gives me money. She likes to help me out.
Okay. Right.
Now we're taking along.
I didn't have time. You didn't have to do that.
15.
You didn't even get a chance to say that.
Oh, but
That's wrong. Yeah.
this is so hilarious. My wife wants to do. You know, she should be a comedian.
Y'all, let me give y'all a joke. So one day, I went to church.
How many points do I need? 10 points to win? Well, let's go ahead and end it. 10. Hey guys, you know, if y'all want to lose against Dominos, play Jim. You know, my wife, she tries, but you know, she tries to challenge me, but it's not there. But she